Hey, in this video, I will show you how to get and use the TikTok creator Q&A feature on any iPhone and on any Android device. But before we start, make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. I gotta warn you that you should do that. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great. But the goal is 100K by the end of the year. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, or if you want us to cover another topic in a future video. We would love to help you out. So what you want to do is go on TikTok, and the first thing you should know about the Q&A feature is that you need a creator account. That's free, don't worry, but you need to set it up. So you're going to go on the Me profile, then click the three dots at the top right corner. When it loads up, you actually want to click on manage account, which should be the first option, and from there you should have a switch to a creator account here. I'm already a creator account, so I don't have it, but it should be somewhere around here under account center, under account control. So this is the first thing you want to do. Then go back when you switch to a creator account and just click on creator tools right here, and from there click on Q&A, and you can set it up right here. Just you click on turn on, and you can add some questions and answers there. As I promised, it's very simple. Anyone can do it. So if you appreciated me making a video just like this, just give me a like for the algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot. And if you're one of the committed people that managed to watch the video all the way until the end, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out, and you can just comment down below which country you are from, for example. See you in the next video. Bye.